Chandrika Tandon is a Grammy Award-winning singer, philanthropist, and entrepreneur, whose work bridges the worlds of music, culture, and service. Her most recent album, Triveni, received the 2025 Grammy Award for Best New Age, Ambient, or Chant Album. Through her music, she shares the beauty and depth of Indian spiritual traditions with audiences worldwide. Please join me in warmly welcoming Chandrika Tandon and her choir as they open tonight's program with a chant in Sanskrit.
Hello everyone, I'm Chandrika Tandon, as they just introduced me. And I know the program says I'm going to be singing, but what you all don't know is that you're all going to be singing with me. You ready for that? That's a very feeble yes. Are you ready for that? Yes. Now we're talking. I'm so honored to be here to celebrate this absolutely momentous occasion of the 30th anniversary of the Infinity Foundation. It's a true privilege and honor to be here. Mr. Malhotra, congratulations, and God bless you for everything you're doing. And let's give him a great big hand. I'm very ably joined. It's going to be a short program. We're just going to do a couple of mantras. I'm joined by Kedar Napte on the harmonium. He runs the Harmonium Institute. Many of you know who he is. Chetan Anand on the flute. And a choir of wonderful singers led by Philip Skinner. And he's put this together and they've all learned our mantras. So they are here to lead all of us. Yes? So we'll start out and you know, this is where we are trying to get into the space of love, light, laughter, as I say, for us to get into that calm space. So I would like everybody to close your eyes, and we're going to do several ohms till everybody settles down. And then the first mantra we will do is something that I'm sure most of you are familiar with, which is an opening prayer to Lord Ganesha, which would just be Vakratunda Mahakaya. I've done it in such a way that there's a call and response. So I would like to sing a line and then invite you to sing with me, and the choir will sing with us. And the line that we will repeat together multiple times is Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Now we'll do it to music, and so we're ready to go. So that's our first small piece that we're going to do. Okay? So let's close our eyes, and we're going to start with a few ohms. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. May the whole journey be filled with wisdom, and may we see the humor even if the way is crooked. So I'm going to conclude with, I was thinking about what is appropriate given it's the Infinity Foundation. So we're all infinity. And I wanted to sing the 6 verses, the Nirvana Shatakam. And how many of you are familiar with the Nirvana Shatakam? I mean, we have a whole group of scholars and really learned people here. So I'm sure every one of you know the Nirvana Shatakam. But let me just tell you a little story about it. Adi Shankara, who is one of the greatest founders of the Advaita philosophy. This is in the 6th century BC, 6th or 7th century BC. The exact time is not clear. He was 8 years old and he was wandering on the banks of the Narmada River looking for his teacher. Now, he saw his this guru on the banks of the Narmada, and this guru was Swami, Govinda Bhagavad Pada. Now, when somebody asks you, who are you? We say, oh, you wear your label proudly, yes? We say, I am Chandrika, I am whoever it is. We all talk about our labels. But this little boy decided to compose the Nirvana Shatakam. So he talked about who he was in 6 verses. And that is what the Nirvana Shatakam is. And what does it say? 5 verses, he talks about, I am not this, I am not that, I am not this. Basically, he says, I'm not the mind, I'm not the senses, I am not the food, I am not the friend, I am not the father, I am not the mother. Who am I? Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. I am bliss. Aham Nirvikalpam. I am everywhere. Nirakara Rupam. I am formless. I am bliss. And that is, I think, one of the most profound prayers. There's lots of beautiful stories about Shankara. The whole Shankaracharya tradition was, of course, formed from the sage Shankara. He only lived 32 years. He died at 32. If only we could do 1/1,000,000th of what he did at the age of 32. He was born in Kalahasti, Kaladi, down south, and he died in Kedarnath. So this little boy traversed the whole country to spread the words of Advaita Vedanta. And so he's the father of this. So, but again, you're all going to sing with me. If you'll just give me 1 minute while I get this organized. And everyone's going to be singing Shivoham Shivoham with me. It's not very complicated, but I think it'll come out well. Now again, it's easy. So we'll just sing it a few times and then just follow the choir wherever. Shivoham 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 Shivoham. First time. Shivoham 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 Shivoham. Take it away. Shivoham 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 Shivoham. Again. Shivoham 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 Shivoham. Manobhutya hankara chittani naham. Manobhutya hankara chittani naham. Na cha shrotra jikve na cha grana netre na cha vyoma bhumir na tejo na vayu. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham 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 Shivoham. Na cha prana sankhyo na vai panchavayu na va sapta dhatur na va panchakosha. चोपस्तपायु चिदानन्द रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्द रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे द्वेषरागं न मे लोभमोहौ न मे द्वेषरागं न मे लोभमोहौ मधो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चात्रो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञः अहं भोजनो नैव भोज्यो न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता च जन्मा न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता च जन्मा न बन्धु न मित्रौ गुरु नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप Rupa Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara rupo Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara rupo Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Vibhutva cha sarvatra sarvendriyanam Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Vibhutva cha sarvatra sarvendriyanam Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Sada me samatvam Shivoham, Shivoham. Na mukti na bandho Shivoham, Shivoham. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham, Shivoham. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Thank you. You guys did a wonderful job. Thank you for that.